The method is simple, what we need is some screws. And some thin metal pieces, I got them through recycle. They used to be oil can. It only need a little. Fold the edge to make it durable. Remember to punch 2 holes, should be like this. Easy, now there's no worry about it falling apart for a long time. Moving on to footrest pieces. Here's what I did, I switched places between front and back seat footrest. Now it can fold properly, before the edges were in the way. Problem is they have different size of pin. Thick one needs a bigger hole to fit.
不然是它分不到后面，这边的孔太小。这只进得去，只是这边要小，太厚。现在是完全进不去，进得去，perfect。这边太厚，它放下来折不上去，这是小事。现在这都小事。
Add some length to the broken footrest. Having good eye protection is important. Another idea for the gear shifter, I'll show you in a bit. It's an adaptation. Asking a crucial assistance from a pro welder. These techniques are way beyond my ability. That's what I mentioned earlier, a second pedal. That keeps rider's shoe clean and unscratched.
Oh my god! Wow!
Simply step on it will do the job. It works. Great.
So, a picnic basket holds a lot more than that. It holds dreams.